You guys want to go over the Grizzly Fest, and then we can do the other thing?
Sure.
What did you guys get for question 3?
I got 0.743.
What I got too. For 4, I got 0.712.
Me too. And then I put the first one for 5.
Me too.
Mm-hmm. Then for 6, is that, how do you find that?
I just follow along like in the readings for this.
Mhm.
Just doing like it's kind of like finding the upper and lower, but you just put in the confidence interval, the 1.96 or whatever, and I got negative 1.722, but I don't know if that's right.
For the margin of error, I put 0.124. That would be good.
You said 0.124?
Yeah, is that what you got?
I don't know. I didn't get very far. I just had barely started it like 20 minutes ago, so I didn't get to finish. But
Let me check it again, because isn't it you add the upper and lower bound and divide by 2?
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to check it one more time. Oh. Yeah, this time I got 0.031.
That's what I got too when I did it. For the upper or for the lower, did you get negative 1.722?
I had negative 0.123.
Hmm.
Do you have it as a not equal to test?
I just did mine manually.
Oh, I use Excel.
You're probably right. So for the margin of error, you got 0.031.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then what did you put for the lower bound?
Negative 0.123. And for the upper bound, I put 0.185. I believe these are right.
That's really weird because, like when I did the margin of error for my lower and upper bound, I got the same 0.031. That's so weird.
Yeah, I got that too.
Did you get the same confidence interval I got?
Yeah. What were yours again, Kennedy? I'll do yours and see if does it get the same.
So for the sorry, for the lower bound, I put negative 1.722.
Okay.
And then for the upper bound, I put 1.784.
Yeah, you get the same answer.
So weird.
So I don't know. I guess if I haven't submitted mine yet, so we can always like.
Yeah.
I haven't submitted mine either, so we still have 2 tries. We can just
Okay. Do you want to keep yours how you have it, and then we'll keep ours, and then we'll see.
yeah. And then you guys might need to give me the answers again if I.
Yeah, that's fine.
I have them written down. And then for 10, I put the first one. Failed to reject.
Mhm.
And then 11, I put the last one.
Mhm.
12, I put true.
18. I put the last one for 13.
Yeah, me too. 14, I got 0.141. And then 15, I put 0.001. And then I got a weird Z-score for 16. What did you guys get?
I didn't get that far in doing it yet, but I can do it real quick.
I didn't get that far either.
I got 81.063, but I feel like that's way too high. So I might do it again. Just
What did you get? Sorry, my computer froze.
81.063, but that does not seem right. It's normally like not more
Way
than
lower.
2. Yeah. I'm gonna try that one more time. Okay.
Can you plug this one into an Excel spreadsheet?
I did
Okay, I'll do that.
on the 2 proportion test or whatever.
Okay. Mm,
Good. Is it okay? Well, I guess that changes the other answers though.
Oh yeah, because it might. I'm trying to find.
Alright, so wait, that would be so P1 would be the same, but P2 would be 0.145. And then the z-score negative 2.02.
What did you say for 15?
0.145. And then I said left because it's a less than test.
Wait, for 16, did you change your answer?
Yeah, I put negative 2.02.
Did you change it for 14 too, or did it just change for 15?
Only 15.145.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Right. P-value.
I think that's a reject the null. Mm.
What did you guys put for 18?
0.022.
Would it be the second one for 20?
I put the third one if we're rejecting.
Oh, I thought, okay. That makes
Wait,
sense.
are we rejecting them? It's a point.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Because if we reject, then that means there's sufficient evidence, right?
Yeah.
Did you guys get those 2 right that I?
Oh, I haven't submitted. I'll submit it right now.
We're feeling Mr. Couple.
No, we missed those ones. We missed 6 and 7, not even the upper and lower bounds.
Only 6 and 7, is that?
Yeah, that was it. Only 6 and 7.
Okay. So for
So you got 8 right?
Yeah, so 8 is negative 0.123 and 9 is 0.185.
So for 6, what did you put, just to make sure?
I put negative 1.722.
And then for 7, you put 0.031?
Uh-huh. Which
Okay.
doesn't make sense because the margin, it's weird.
Yeah. That's good. I'll try it again on Excel. So, yeah, so we know the upper and lower bound.
Yeah, so isn't it like the upper and lower band added together divided by 2 is the margin of error?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's weird why that's wrong.
Yeah, that's weird. I don't know. Because I get the same thing.
Here, I'll look it up in like a textbook.
And then we got 6 wrong?
Yeah. We got that 95% interval, confidence interval wrong, and then margin of error.
Did you have for 6 negative 1.722?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weird.
Did they say, okay, maybe we'll just do it like by hand. I'll try that.
I did do it by hand, and that's what I got.
I know that, me too. That's why I'm really confused.
It's not in the Excel.
Because negative 0.123 plus 0.185 is 0.062 divided by 2 is 0.031.
Yeah.
So
Maybe they want like 0.0310.
but then that's 4 decimals and they only want 3.
Oh, right. Yeah.
That's what's so weird. I don't know.
0.032. I don't know. Yeah, I guess we'll start then. So it's 95, so 0.96 over, so
There's maybe it's like the wording for number 6, a point estimate.
yeah, I'm trying to find.
Because there's an example in the text, but that's just a confidence interval for 95%. It's not the point.
P hat is called the point estimate. P. But there's 2 P hats in this case. Do they want like the P value, like normal P?
No, I don't. It says create a confidence interval for P1, P2.
Yeah, the point estimate for P is P hat. So that means
Maybe we should try P hat.
there are 2 P hats and we already put them in, you know?
I know, yeah, that's why I'm confused. Is it like
Why I'm wondering if
subtracting
P
them?
is the point estimate of the, if there's 2 kind of things. So, makes sense.
Maybe you subtract one from the other. Does that make sense? I don't know. What does that mean? Like, you want to know what you get when you subtract the 2? 0.031.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it for a two sample test.
Me
Yeah.
neither.
I don't know how to do the margin of error either.
It's so weird that that's not what it is for margin of error because that's what you do. I can always email her and ask her. Do you want me to do that?
I don't know.
She usually responds because I can like screenshot my screen, and then she usually answers and like tells me how to do it. So I can always do that if you guys want.
And then we can just resubmit once you find out.
Yeah, like I'm sure she'll respond by the end of the night.
I'm looking in lesson 17 just to see. I don't think it would though. Yeah, it just says repeatedly in the textbook, the point estimate for P is P hat.
Point estimate for P is P. But we don't know what P.
What is the point estimate? Yeah, I wonder if I can read the problem. See if it gives me.
It would make sense if there were like two brackets where you could put.
Yeah, like 1 for 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, like both.
Is it like from the total that you're supposed to do it?
Like
Sure.
added together, maybe?
Like, you know, they give that little chart and it's like no is 35, yes is 94, and total is 129. Maybe it's, I don't know.
I'm gonna send her the picture of the question and ask her how to do it.
Because like in the textbook, it just says, like it gives the example of how to do the lower bound and upper bound, and it just says, so 95% confidence interval would be the upper bound and lower bound.
Mm-hmm.
So I can't imagine that the margin of error would be anything other than 0.031.
Wait, okay. So, yeah, one more time. Hmm.
Okay, I just emailed her. Hopefully she responds fast. What's the point estimate for the night? For one of you that hasn't submitted it yet, what if one of you put P hat 1 and then the other does P hat 2 and then see what you get?
I don't think that's gonna work, but
Yeah, no. You don't have to do it. I was just idea.
maybe the point estimate is the p-value in this case. I don't know. It doesn't quite make sense, but it's an idea. So I don't know what the margin of error would be then. Maybe.
Well, what? It's only plus, right? It's never like multiplied by like the upper and lower bounds. It's not multiplication between those two, right? It's just
It shouldn't be.
I don't know, because I
Yes.
just tried it. And I got negative 0.011
For which one? 6 or 7?
or 7.
Was there a particular order we were supposed to put it in? Maybe we missed that.
I don't know. I feel like it wouldn't make a difference because addition and
Well,
way
like maybe it's like negative. No, that doesn't make sense because we already put in the lower and upper bound.
yeah.
Those are right.
Oh, it does change it if you do the upper bound first.
But
It
it should
does?
also change the lower and upper bounds themselves, right?
I don't think so.
Wait,
but we
did
can
you
always try it.
add the upper bound and the lower bound, but you did upper bound first? Is that what you're saying?
Well, adding is the same either way.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh, sorry. I totally just messed up. I totally divided it. I don't know what I was doing. Okay, never mind.
Because I know I wrote down one time, like, margin of error. Because when you multiply them together and then divide them by 2, it equals something else. But I thought it was addition.
Yeah, it has to be.
Yeah.
Like, it's just the number plus and minus the margin of error. So it's like. Do you think maybe the point estimate is the upper minus the lower? Or,
I don't know. You could try it.
I don't know. Maybe we should just wait for.
Okay.
It was like. Critical value times standard deviation. Okay.
You guys want to just wait until she responds to my email and we can just start on the project?
I'm gonna try one thing and
Okay.
and then I'll let you know. Yeah. Right.
It didn't work.
Yeah, I missed 6 again, but well.
Have you guys ever heard of Chegg?
Yeah.
So, let's see. I looked it up on there.
I know. I tried looking it up earlier on there too, and I couldn't find it. Did you find it?
Somebody said that the point estimate is 0.031, and then the margin of error they're saying is 0.154.
How did they get that?
So for the
Do you want to try submitting that and then we'll see if it's right?
yeah, except didn't you guys just submit?
Well, we still have one more.
Yeah,
you
I
have-
still have one more, but you have 2 if you haven't submitted yet.
No, I'm saying it wasn't 0.031 wrong though.
It was wrong for number 7.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, because I remember when you subtract the upper and lower bounds that you get 0.031, I think. Because I remember I subtracted.
You add them and divide by 2.
Okay, yeah, sorry. I'll submit it and see if it's right. Point.
Okay.
Sometimes these are wrong too, so. Yeah, that was right.
Oh, good.
So you get 100.
Yep.
Sounds good.
Do you guys need me to repeat the answers, or did you get them?
I got 'em.
What was 6?
6 is 0.031,
Okay.
and 7 is 0.154. So yeah, we were just doing it backwards. The
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Oh.
Good job. Okay.
So I missed the meeting on Saturday. What's going on with the project?
Nothing really happened. All we did was like fill out the paper, like the
Mhm.
Word document, and then submitted it. So
Okay, so we still don't really know what our experiment is.
no, we do. We're doing
Are you not getting the group message, Kendall?
No.
Maybe we need to figure out.
Well, Savannah just sends me updates sometimes.
Maybe we should start a new one and see if you get it.
Yeah, or like if I start it or whatever. I don't know.
Yeah, do you want to try to start one?
Sure. I don't have my old contacts, so
Did you get a new phone?
yeah.
Oh, that's probably why we probably don't have your new number.
Yeah. I mean, I could just give you my number, or I could start one, whichever.
Do you have an iPhone? Because I'll just add you into the other one.
No, it's not.
Okay.
I can start a new one if you just want to tell me. Let me put everyone else in real quick, and then just tell me your
Are we
numbers.
doing the speeding ticket thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I posted the survey already to Facebook.
Okay.
So, like, by Thursday, we should be able to write up our.
Do we need to ask anyone in person, or are we just using that?
We're just using that. She said that was fine.
Okay. So yeah, we're not doing like just BYUI then, or
No. Well, you were posted it to the Rexburg thing, right? Or did you just post it to your
The
page?
life in Rexburg. So,
oh,
and we've already
so
got
that's
like over 100 people that have like done
Oh,
it.
good.
wow, that's great.
I'm impressed.
But people are dumb. They keep commenting like, well, what if I have never been pulled over? What do I put? I'm like, people.
You're stupid.
Okay. So what's your number, Kendall?
So it's 949
949
357 and then 7605. So check that.
Okay, I don't think I got this right. So 949
Yeah.
357
Mm-hmm.
97.
76.
Okay, so 35776.
05, I believe.
Okay, I'll just put bio and see if you guys get it.
Okay.
Hope I give you the right number.
Yeah, we should be able to fill this out on Thursday. I'm looking. I just got it.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Did you get it too?
Mhm.
Okay, cool. So yeah, so we should like
next
on
part, dude.
Thursday. I'll just like take a picture of the survey and just like take it off of Facebook, and then we can just use what we have, because I'm sure we'll have a ton of like sample size should be good enough by then
Yeah.
that we
Sounds
can
good.
like write up something and then we'll be done with that.
Okay, sounds good. I don't know how to put it in a Google Docs. How do you do? Do you just like copy and paste the whole thing? Because I can add it to the one we had. I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, I don't know actually.
But I guess we don't really need to fill anything out until Thursday, so we can worry about that on Thursday.
Yeah. And then when is that next part due?
It's due this Saturday.
Oh, really? Okay.
I think that like each it's due date number 4 of week 11. Is this week 10?
Yeah,
So-
so it's due next week, I think.
Yeah.
But I think let's just try to get it done, and then
But it's just the one person who submits it, right? For those.
Yeah, the group leader, I think.
Was that the same thing Saturday or?
Yeah, basically.
Okay, because it says like missing assignment, but I don't
Yeah,
think.
that's the same thing as Saturday. Because I got on and I was like, oh crap! Like, did I really just miss something?
Did she approve it or something?
Yeah, and I think we got it approved by the school too. I think that's what Savannah said.
yeah, Savannah said we got it approved by them too.
And then we'll just have Savannah submit it since she submitted the last one, and I think since she did that, she's our group leader, and she's the one that does it.
Sounds good.
Okay. Perfect.
Right. I'll see you guys on Thursday, or do you want to do more on this?
I think I'm good.
There's not really a whole lot we can
Yeah.
do today, just
Yeah.
because we still need more time for that survey. So let's just pick up where we left off on Thursday and get it done.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Okay, sounds good. See you then.
See ya.